Hi General Math students. In the previous video we were calculating distances for north-south travel. In this video we're doing distances on lines of latitude, which is for east-west travel. And you see that the formula looks really similar to the previous one for longitudes, but we have a cosine of alpha included. The reason we have that is because as we go on different latitudes on the Earth's surface, we get different size circles. So here we are on this latitude. Now if we were to go closer to the North Pole, we get a smaller circle. When we go down to the equator, we get a really big circle, the biggest you can have. And same as we go to the South Pole, we start to get smaller circles. So the cosine of alpha helps us to account for that by calculating the new radius of the smaller or larger circles that we have. Let's look at this example here. So remember our formula, we need to first determine what is our alpha value. Well, that alpha value, as it says up here, is the latitude of the two places. The latitude of the two places. So let's look back down at this example here, and these two places, A and B, are both on the 40-degree north parallel of latitude. So we're looking here, this 40-degree north parallel of latitude. Alright, so that is our alpha value, 40 degrees. Right, so the next thing is to determine our theta value, the angular separation between these two places. Now, just like before, we can use a diagram to help us with that. In this diagram, we're looking directly down on the North Pole, so looking from above down onto the Earth through the North Pole. And this here would be our prime meridian, down through here, this blue line, which is at 0 degrees. Now we're told that point A is 10 degrees to the west, so west being in this direction, that's to the west. This is 10 degrees in here. And to the east is in that direction, and B is 35 degrees to the east. So we add those two numbers up in this case to get our angular separation. Oops. So our angular separation, theta, 45 degrees. And just like before with different latitudes, if one was north and one was south, we'd add them up. Here we've got one to the west and one to the east, so we'll add them up here as well. Okay, so our formula should look like this. Cosine of 40. Alright, that was the bit that we did in red. There's our cosine of 40 multiplied by 45 on 360. There is our theta value there. So when we put that into the calculator, and you might want to pause and practice this and see if you get the same answer as me, then I'll put it down. So the answer is 3833.1 kilometres. Righto, so maybe you want to pause the video and try the next one on your own, then I'll have a go at it. Okay, I'll have a go at this one. So in this case, our alpha value is 25 degrees. Our theta value, okay, we've got Q, which is 58 degrees to the west, and we've got P, which is only 17 degrees to the west. So I'm going to find the difference between those in order to get my theta value. It's 41 degrees in this case. So D equals 2 pi by 6371 by the cosine of 25 by 41 on 360. So for this one, you should get this number. 4131.9 kilometres. Okay, here are the calculations, in case you weren't sure how to put it into the calculator. So go ahead and look at the description for the video and try some of these questions.